It is a beautiful day. I just went to Saab and got, what did I get? A USB drive, and then I went to get measured for a dress for a wedding that I'm going to, and I will leave the Facebook page and the name in the story. Now I'm headed to Lucky Freetown to get a bottle of water.
Alright, and how I had to go and get it for you. No lie, no lie, no lie. Baby, one day I'ma show you how I did it for you. Alright, and how I had to go and get it for you. No lie, no lie, no lie, no lie, no lie. Look, and girl, I get it, I hate it when I ain't home a lot. Really miss my babies. Hold me down, hold this crown. I hope this sound gonna hit you back so that one day I can show you how I did it for you. Alright, and how I had to go and get it for you. No lie, no lie, no lie. Baby, one day I'ma show you how I did it for you. Alright, and how I had to go and get it for you. No lie, no lie, no lie, no lie, no lie. Yeah. Man.
Hey, man. Make him feel like it.
Oh, no. Haha. Man. This is crazy. We move. You know what it is when we do what we do, man. Ha. Look. Huh. Okay, let's get one thing clear. We've been working more than everybody else this year. Yeah, the momentum never disappeared. We just had to give you hope that the game's still fair. Don't be mad, it's not your fault. But you gon' have to take the truth with a grain of salt. You gon' have to hit the booth with a fake result. Like why the you even playing it all? You cannot contest with the movement. Test what it is, who would ever thought we'd make it here? You ain't seen the best of our new shit. We just do it, Nike cut the check this year. Lord have mercy, I've been working so hard. I think it's time to reap the rewards. Think it's time to celebrate within the graces of God. You can never be the best if you never made it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ever since the first single, y'all been steady sleeping. Hard to block it out when all the doubt would start to creeping. Had to flip it round and now we bounding and we leaping. To show these motherfuckers we was put in for a reason. Now it's our season, gotta keep it real. I don't know if there's anybody that's really in the field. Know this shit is fresh as in before you pop the seal. As a youngin', mama raised me on Laurel Hill. I'm on the hilltop still. Peter Piper picked the pepper but couldn't picture a person persevering through the pressure. Perpetuating the Polynesian prophet. Probably promised some prophets but prematurely put predicament he couldn't predict. Pit a personal purgatory, a pitiful pit. Lickety split with a swish and a flick. Flick of the wrist, get up off of the dick. I turn the cheek and tell the haters they can give it a kiss. Flipping the script in this bitch, let's go. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Never made it through the right.
already want us to stop. We're just getting started. Can't do it like the kid knows. Better watch your step. No more game.
Yeah, look. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights,
it all started with a vision. What once was blurred is now clear. I sit and reflect back on how I made it to here. Like even before the first fixed tape, fresh out of school at 17, just ripping the writtens and being cool. The second oldest of 6, we struggled a lot. Parents would hustle 24/7 for all the shit that we got. Like really be on the move, a lot of different spots. And maybe that be the reason why I just can't stop. And now I hustle for cream, gotta hustle for change. I muscle my way in the game, yeah, I struggle for days to make a name for myself. Now the boy makes waves and I switch lanes, nobody tell me how to behave. It's all love for everyone in my peer group. We still shooting through that same hoop. My tears dripping, they droop when I remember that we breaking the loop. For everybody coming up, know that this is for you. True.
Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping.
They tell you that money can't buy happiness, but it's paying for the pursuit. Besides, you wouldn't say that if you ain't had loot. Like listen, you ever thought that you ain't that dude? And maybe you ain't the player that can make that move? I can't relate, I know I wasn't built like that. I'm cut from a different cloth, I be skilled like that. I stand in front of the storm, got a will like that. Her rose with no thorn, I be ill like that. The competition looking stagnant, never making moves, but the dude about that action. Terminator torn from the future. My brain's a supercomputer, I got the world in my fingers, look how I'm quick to maneuver. Other rappers manure, talking shit, they on the sideline. I'm on the marquee, I be on that prime time. Try and stop me, baby, but this is my time. Hit the spotlight, cause they ain't fucking with my shine.
Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision.
Told you we too big, too fast, too strong. Y'all ain't ready for the movement. I spent too long letting you other people get a head start. And here we are.
Yeah, look, didn't really wanna do this, but I'm sick of all the party shit you party with. I gotta be the movement. Take it back to the art of this, the heart of this, and stick to the true shit. Really, you could be a part of this, the start of this, like we could really do this. Either way, man, screw this. I couldn't give one fuck if I never make radio. All I know is I still got a way to go, and if I ever do blow, well, way to go. Either way, man, I'm watching my paper grow. But here we go on some real ass shit. I come equipped, make you feel that shit. You got hits, me, you still that shit. You see the movement, I built that shit. You ain't built for this, you ain't slick, get up off this dick. Cause I ain't never had a pot to piss, and I ain't never had a lot when it's hot, ain't no air conditioning. Only got what I got cause I made decisions. Now they wanna play in my position. Now they fucking with the vibe, but the tribe gonna ride for that. I got lines for the minds, paying mind to rap, but ain't nobody got time for that. But everybody wanna vibe, but the rhyme, I'ma die for that.
See what you got to a non-believer.
But how's it feel when the truth from the booth coming out your speaker?
Find the ether, down the leader, hound the reaper, pound for pound, I must defeat you.
I must defeat you. Can't stop till I'm up on top. I shoot a shot till I see one drop and just pop till I cop the guap. I gotta flow like the blood on clot. I gotta rock, give it all I got. Cause all I hear is tick tock, running out of time. It's like tick tick tock. It's a mountain climbing, I'm a mountain lion and I'm on a mission. Can't stop a king with that tunnel vision, no.